Join me in exploring the role of faith in healing the Notre Dame Cathedral. The Notre Dame Cathedral is more than an architectural masterpiece. It's a symbol of faith, community, and resilience. When the devastating fire of April 2019 engulfed this historic landmark, the world mourned. Questions arose about whether this 850-year-old treasure could ever be restored. Yet, through the darkness, Christian faith emerged as a beacon of hope, driving the restoration efforts and uniting communities around the globe. Notre Dame's history is deeply rooted in Christianity, and its very walls tell a story of faith through intricate rose windows, awe-inspiring stone carvings, and stunning stained glass masterpieces. The cathedral's recovery has been a testament to the power of faith-based initiatives, with prayers, expertise, and resources pouring in from Christian communities worldwide. From the French Catholic Church's remarkable fundraising efforts to international collaborations, these acts of solidarity highlight the strength and unity faith inspires. But this story goes beyond restoring a building. It's about healing lives and renewing hope. Faith and community have intertwined to overcome challenges, from structural concerns to preserving the cathedral's integrity. Stories of divine intervention, resilience, and spiritual growth have emerged, reminding us that even in the darkest times, faith can illuminate the path forward. The restoration of Notre Dame is a testament to the transformative power of collective action inspired by faith. As Pope Francis has said, faith is a call to unity and service. This journey reflects not just architectural preservation, but a spiritual revival, reminding us of the sacred connections that bind us all. Let's celebrate the incredible journey of Notre Dame, explore the role of faith in healing, and delve into the spiritual narratives that have shaped this iconic cathedral's restoration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have your own thoughts on prayer and healing, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more topics like this, be sure to check out my other videos on faith, science, and the human experience. Join